Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable alerts for memories notifications on Snapchat with the latest update. If you want to make sure you never miss a notification for your saved snaps or stories, just follow these simple steps. First, start by opening the Settings app on your phone. This is the central place where you can manage all your apps and their notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on the Apps option. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Snapchat from that list. This will take you to the app's settings, where you can tweak things like storage, permissions, and, importantly, notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. This section controls all the different types of notifications Snapchat can send you. Here, you'll see several options and categories depending on your version of the app. Look for and tap on Notification Categories. This splits notifications into different groups, so you can customize them individually. Under the General section, you'll see an option called Memories. This is the key to managing alerts specific to your saved snaps and stories inside Snapchat. Tap on Memories, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can select how you want to receive notifications for this category. Simply choose Alert to enable a pop-up notification, sound, or vibration, depending on your phone's settings. That's it! You've now successfully enabled alerts for memories notifications on Snapchat. With this turned on, you'll get a clear notification whenever there's an update related to your memories, so you won't miss a thing. If you ever want to turn this off or adjust it again, just follow these steps to get back to the memories notification settings. Thanks for watching.